Titus 12:1, pages 262 and 263, volume of rectangular prisms. So volume equals length times width times height, or this is the general one. When it's a prism or a cylinder, it's just the area of the base times height. So like when you find the area of the base, like this is 4 by 2, it's 8, it'd just be 8 times 3 is 24. Because you find the area of the base, that's 8, and then how many layers are there? There's 3 layers. So anyways, if you're only going to pick one, this is the one, because if you get into weird looking shapes like a hospital building or something, or a cylinder, area of the base times B, capital B stands for area of the base, whatever the base is. Find the area of the base and then just multiply it by the height. Right? But when it's just a, I don't know, when it's just a rectangular prism, it's, you can just do length times width times height. You know, that's what I'll do. Anyways, so number 3, I just did length times width times height, and I got it, and then I showed you, oh, here, I'll do it this way. And when I do it this way, I like finding the area of the base off to the side, and then just plug it in. Remember, volume is always 3-dimensional. The units will be cubed. That's how you just, if you just look at that, if you just look at that, oh, that's volume because the units are cubed. So number 6, I did it both ways. 7 times 6 is 42, or 7 times 2 is 14, so it's just 14 times 3. Number 9, they give you the, they just want you to find the area of the base, so length times width. Number 12, this is where I would do definitely this way, because when you multiply by fractions, you want to look to cancel before you multiply. Here, 4 divided by 4 cancels. And so you just get 3 over 2, which is just 1.5. So super easy to find it. Remember, when you're multiplying fractions, you want to look to cancel before you start multiplying. Number 15, volume equals length times width times height. So 8 times 4 is 32 inches cubed. Remember, formula. Always write the formula and just keep it looking like keep the equals coming straight down, letters or numbers coming straight down, attach units at the end. Number 18, same thing with fractions here. 3/8 times 2/3 times 1/2. Well, the 3's cancel, the 2's cancel. You just get 1/8. Volume equals 1/8 cubic inches. And then number 21, I started off with that and I said, no, because it's 21, they gave you the area of the base, so I gotta use this formula. So it's 46 times 5.2. I better make that times bigger. And I went up here and multiplied, and there it is. And then this one, I drew the picture when it's a word problem. I like drawing a picture, just use your strategies. And so the perimeter is going to be 42 inches, and then I use proportions, which you're going to learn next chapter here. Inches and feet, there's 12 inches and 1 feet, so how many inches in 4 feet? A proportion is when a fraction equals a fraction. This is just times 4, so times 4. So 4 feet is 48 inches, and 42 is less than 48, so is it enough? Yes, you got 6 inches to spare. Right. We will learn about proportions next chapter. Super, super important to just get proportions down. So whatever you do, try to do it excellently. You want to first understand the words. Conceptually, you want to understand the words and symbols. You want to show your work clearly. And you want to, if you make mistakes, you want to learn from your mistakes and change how you work. So, you know, you want to take pride in what you do, and you want to try and get them right every time. Learn from your mistakes, and um, don't just try to get done, but try to work with precision, and take pride in what you do. Love you, buddy.